A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. How many countries are declared nuclear powers? Countries. 9 countries declare nuclear power. Their names: Russia, United States, China, France, UK, Pakistan, India, Israel, and North Korea. Mohtaram Fatma Jinnah had which of the following occupation? Mohtaram Fatma Jinnah was a dentist. In which of the following country equator passes? Kenya. Equator passes through the Kenya. Third name after a tennis player. Nadal is famous as asteroid. City has the longest metro rail network in the world. Shanghai has the longest metro rail network in the world. Which of the following is not a tributary of Indus River? Is not a tributary of Indus River because it was a tributary of Chenab River. Capital of West Bengal. Capital of West Bengal is Kolkata. What is the old name of Bin Qasim Seaport? Old name of Bin Qasim Seaport is Papre. The famous Pakistani poet who won the Lenin Award. Ahmed Faiz. Faiz Ahmed Faiz was the first Pakistani who won the Lenin Award. Who gave the unique principle of buoyancy, or a law of floating bodies? Archimedes gave the law of floating body, a law of buoyancy. He was the first president of All India Muslim League. Ghaffar Khan was the first president of All India Muslim League. Real name of Bacha Khan. Ghaffar Khan. Abdul Ghaffar Khan was the real name of Bacha Khan. Because Abdul Qadir Khan died. 2021, Abdul Qadir Khan died. Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India. 13th Prime Minister of India is Narendra Modi. Biruni discovered the radius of Earth, which was 338 km. First Muslim scientist who represented the law of reflection and law of refraction. Hassam. Ibn al-Hassam gives the law of reflection and refraction of light. The following language has most alphabet. Cambodian language has the most number of alphabets. Jamalpur city is also known as Jamalpur city is famous name of Attak. Second smallest country by area. Monaco. Monaco was the world's second smallest country by area. The following is not a unit of measuring pressure. And all other bar, tor, and Pascal is the unit of measuring pressure. Country has no land border with other country, Maldives, because it was islands. Sea ties boundary of which country? Black Sea ties the boundary with Ukraine. The official language of Austria is German. The following is largest man-made lake in Pakistan. Ginger Lake is the largest man-made lake in Pakistan. Kulzum Desert is located in which country? And Kazakhstan is a part of Kulzum Desert.